Sneezy day. Earlier today, I was so sneezy. I was trying to look at something on my phone. I kept on sneezing. Got so fed up. I didn't clean it off. Moco-chan! Ha! I got fed up of it. So far we're on track for beating a record, huh? I just got angry. Yeah. That's all! It's not fun to continue sneezing and sneezing and sneezing! I don't know, it's kind of fun for me and the ruffians though. It's not fun. Yeah. So that was my rebellion, okay? Yeah. Rebellion! Okay. You would understand if you had the same problem, okay? Moco-chan, instead of head pats, you could be giving a sniffer pants. Nose pants. Everything. Okay, Ruffians, it's time to give Moco-chan nose pants. I can't breathe. It does feel like she can't breathe. Huh. Bow, bow, bow!